Hi, this is Sandra from Greyd, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create an event-related booking form that you can easily reuse for several events, and it automatically displays the information of the current event. So this is my form here. You can see it's a multi-step form. We have some general contact information, input fields, nothing we need to focus on now. And here it's about booking an event accommodation. And since each of my events takes place in a different city, we obviously have different hotel information to display. We have different Google Maps links. Here is some dynamic information. We have dynamic dates and all that. And what I don't want to do is having to adapt this form each time there's a new event, especially since the event team are people with no WordPress expertise at all. So ideally, I don't want them anywhere near my form, to be honest. So what I did instead is I created a custom post type that is super easy to edit. So we have some date fields, time fields, and we have some text fields, nothing more. And I could even go a step further and have the event team maintain these information, not even in WordPress, but maybe in a Google spreadsheet that I then connect to my website using our API connector. But how do I now get these information into my form? We have a feature that's called global dynamic tags, which basically is just a checkbox you have to check when creating your custom post type. So this is my event post type, and this is the checkbox to activate global dynamic tags. And what it does, it makes the information of the latest post available across my entire website. So I am able to display post information without the need for query loops, post slider, or anything like that. What I do now is I now go into my form and I just mark one of my placeholders, click on the dynamic tag icon, and then you can see that here I have all my dynamic post information from my event post type. So let's say here I want the hotel name to be displayed. Here I want the hotel address, and maybe like this. And here I want a dynamic link to Google Maps, for example, and that's it. So super easy. And what I've now created is a reusable form that automatically updates itself whenever the event information is updated. So this is the current form, and let's say the next event we don't want to stay in the Hilton Hotel but in, I don't know, Greyd.Hyatt. So all I have to do is go into the post type, change that here to Greyd.Hyatt, update that. As you've seen, I've nowhere been near my form, just in the post type. And if I update the form now and go to the second step, we now have the Greyd.Hyatt. And that's it.